Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of people are interested in, late fees. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about the late fees for Bread Financial. Bread Financial is a financial services company that offers a variety of products, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. They're a pretty popular choice for people who are looking for a lender that offers a wide range of products and services. But what if you're late on a payment to Bread Financial? How much will you be charged? That's what I'm going to answer in this video. I'll also provide some tips on how to avoid late fees altogether. What is Bread Financial's late fee? The amount of the late fee that Bread Financial charges will vary depending on the type of product you have with them. For credit cards, the late fee is typically $29. For personal loans and auto loans, the late fee is typically $35. When will Bread Financial charge you a late fee? Bread Financial will charge you a late fee if your payment is not received by the due date. The due date is typically the same day each month. How can you avoid late fees from Bread Financial? There are a few things you can do to avoid late fees from Bread Financial. Set up automatic payments. This is the easiest way to avoid late fees. When you set up automatic payments, your payment will be deducted from your bank account on the due date. Sign up for text or email reminders. Bread Financial can send you text or email reminders when your payment is due. Make sure you have enough money in your bank account. If you don't have enough money in your bank account when your payment is due, your payment will be rejected and you will be charged a late fee. Pay your bill early. If you can, pay your bill early. This will give you some extra time in case there are any problems with your payment. What happens if you don't pay your Bread Financial bill? If you don't pay your Bread Financial bill, your account will become delinquent. This can have a number of negative consequences, including your credit score will be damaged. A delinquent account will stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. This can make it difficult to get approved for new credit in the future. You may be sued by Bread Financial. Bread Financial may sue you to collect on the debt. Your wages may be garnished. Bread Financial may be able to garnish your wages, which means that they can take money directly out of your paycheck to pay off the debt. It's important to be aware of the late fees that Bread Financial charges. If you're late on a payment, you could be charged a significant fee. However, there are a few things you can do to avoid late fees. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips.